In this video, we will discuss user customization, configuration, function setup, inventory tab, input field setup, serial lot number settings. By using the serial lot number feature of ECOUNTERP, you can track the history of each item by their own identification number. You can either give each item an individual identification number and use the feature for serial number management, or you can give the same number to all the products that are manufactured at the same time to manage them in a lot unit. For example, you can manage products by grouping them by their expiration date. You can set the program differently based on the type of management required for your company. To set the basics for serial lot number management, go to User Customization, Configuration, Function Setup, Inventory tab, and search by serial or lot. And then you will find Input Field Setup section, where you can set the settings related to serial lot number feature. Firstly, you can set whether the field will be required. So if you must enter always a serial number for each inventory change, check required option, and if it'll be optional, check the corresponding option. And next, you can select the type of quantity entry. You can allow only 1 or -1 for each item, and this setting is applicable for not lot number management but serial number management. This option will allow you to enter only 1 or -1 when you enter a serial number quantity in slip input screens, which would allow to give each item an individual identification number, even if the items are identical to each other. And if you need to manage in a lot unit, you need to check unlimited quantity entry type so that you can link multiple items to a single lot number without limiting quantity entry. And next, in Manage by Location section, select how to view the inventory quantity on hand of each serial lot number. If you will count inventory quantity of serial lot number by location, then check Use, and if you will count the quantity based on the entire locations, check Do Not Use option. And Use option will allow you to count the quantity of each serial lot number for each location, respectively. And lastly, in Select Serial Lot Number settings, you can set for each of Increase Menu and Decrease Transfer Menu, you can set whether to use Automatic Input Recommendation function when you select a serial lot number. And for each type of menu, click Settings on the right and set the details of Automatic Input Recommendation field. And you can find more details in Inventory to Serial Lot Number Registration video. Once you've set the settings, click Save. Then the settings will apply to serial lot number management of your company code. And in inventory slip input screens, you can add the corresponding column for serial lot number by using option at the top right, Input Screen Setting. So let's say you don't see this field. Then, to add the serial lot number column, you can click on Existing Column, click Add, and search by serial, and add the corresponding field and click Save. And after entering an item, you can click Select to select a serial lot number for this stock out transaction. In this way, you can manage and track inventory history by using the User Customization serial lot number input field setup settings and template setup. And please note that in order to connect each serial lot number, you need to first go to Inventory 2, Serial Lot Number, Register Serial Lot Number menu, and create new serial lot numbers. For how to register new serial lot numbers, please refer to the corresponding Inventory 2 serial lot number registration video. Thank you.